Welcome to the essential guide on how to write perfect prompts for any AI tool. Whether you're using ChatGPT, Midjourney, or any other generative AI, mastering the prompt is your key to getting extraordinary results. This video is your introduction to prompt engineering, the art of communicating effectively with AI models. A good prompt is the blueprint for a perfect AI output. So what defines a, quote, perfect prompt? It's a precise instruction that leaves no room for guesswork, ensuring the AI delivers exactly what you need, quickly and reliably. Why are good prompts so crucial? They guide the AI's vast knowledge base toward a narrow, specific goal, turning vague ideas into actionable, high-quality content. Every great prompt is built on three core pillars: a clear goal, context and constraints, and often an assigned role. First, clearly define the task. What specific action should the AI perform? On what subject? And what is the desired outcome? Be direct and unambiguous. Next, provide sufficient context and constraints. Context gives the AI background information, while constraints set boundaries for the output, like length, format, or style. Our first powerful technique is defining a role or persona for the AI. This instantly raises the quality and focus of the response. By assigning the AI a specific role, such as an expert programmer or a professional marketer, you tap into its specialized training data, leading to a more authoritative and targeted response. Also, don't forget to set the tone and style. Should the response be professional, casual, or academic? Specifying the tone ensures the AI speaks in the voice you need. Technique number 2 focuses on structure. How you ask for the information can be just as important as what information you ask for. Always specify the desired output format. Whether you need a simple list, a detailed table, or a structured essay, telling the AI how to organize the content makes it instantly usable. For complex instructions, use delimiters. These are simple symbols like triple quotes or hashtags that separate different parts of your prompt, preventing the AI from confusing instructions with examples or constraints. The final technique is iteration and refinement. AI interaction is rarely one and done. It's a conversation. Once you receive an output, analyze it against your original perfect prompt criteria. Did it meet the goal? Did it respect the constraints? Identify exactly where it missed the mark. Then, ask the AI to refine its output based on specific feedback. Instead of starting over, tell it, make the tone more formal, or reduce the word count by 50 words, saving you time and improving accuracy. Ready to move beyond the basics? Here are 2 advanced tips to supercharge your prompt engineering. The first is few-shot prompting. By providing 1 or 2 examples of the desired output format or style within your prompt, you show the AI exactly what good looks like, significantly improving the outcome. Secondly, use negative constraints. Explicitly stating what the AI should avoid, such as jargon or specific topics, is an effective way to filter unwanted content from the final output. You now have the tools for prompt mastery. It's time to put these techniques into practice. Remember the key steps. Define your goal, assign a role, structure the output, and refine with specific feedback. These actions transform vague queries into perfect prompts. The world of AI is constantly evolving. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep refining your prompts. Happy prompting!